nice and warm. In here you find both young and old, seeking shelter from the storm. It's the spirit of the season to open up the door. It's the spirit of the season to give and love some more. It's the spirit of the season to lend a helping hand.
Y'all don't even know if y'all can see me. Happy Tuesday. It is Tuesday. It is December the 20. What the day is? 20th. Happy holidays, everybody. Happy holidays. Y'all, I just want to come on, man. I'm having some bad hair days. I don't know. I know sometimes in October and April my hair sheds, but this is December and my hair is so thin. Look at that. And I've always had thick, nice hair. So I need a perm. My roots are heavy, but I got so much shedding. So I'm gonna have to go let the professionals do it because I don't want to wash my hair and I'll be in the sink, you know. But anyway, how's everybody doing? Y'all through shopping? Y'all got gifts for everybody? Hey everybody, it's a season. It's a time for to spread love, to give love, and I asked the lady at the post office, did she have something I could put a big box in? And she told me she did. And she came and she rolled the card out to me. And so when I was taking the card out, this lady, pretty little petite Caucasian lady, she said, you need some help? I said, no ma'am, I have it. I said, thank you, Merry Christmas. And just, you know, any little act of kindness, you should always let people know it's appreciated. They got a work truck down. They got a whole bunch of people. Hey, some of my guys is. But yeah, I mean, but I honestly, I try to be like that all year long because you never know how your kindness can uplift somebody. You just don't ever know. And I don't ever want the Lord to test me with kindness and I fail the test. You know what I'm saying? That's why everybody I talk to, everybody I approach, my prayer is that I lead the people I meet in a better situation than they were in when they first met me. That's my hope, because you know in life you may not happen upon a person but one time, but you would wish that however you lead them, they feel better about themselves. Yeah, that's what I try to do. I mean, nobody's perfect. We all make mistakes. Nobody. Like Rhea said Sunday, I don't care how immaculate you dress, designer, and where you live and what you drive, we all filthy rags. Yes, indeed. Woo! Lord, thank God for grace and mercy. And I tomorrow, Wednesday, that is my last day working this year. I go back to work January 3rd, I'll go back. But yeah, excuse me. So, y'all, I just want to, my daughter, my grandbaby come. I just want to spend a lot of time with my grandbaby because I hadn't seen him since his birthday in July. Have I seen him since then? No, I think I saw him in October. No, I didn't. They were supposed to come, but they didn't. I haven't seen him since July. And he calls me Nana. And I love you, Nana. And give me a kiss. We kiss each other on FaceTime. Yeah, but, so we got our itinerary. We're going to go look at Christmas lights. We're going to, I hadn't gotten a gingerbread house. I need to do that. I hope I can still find some. We're going to make gingerbread men, and we're going to decorate them, and then we're going to make chocolate chip cookies. And I asked him what did he want to eat. He said he wants bacon. I said, boy, bacon is not all I'm going to fix for you to eat. He a little narrow or something, so every day he here, I'm going to get him fixed breakfast. I hardly ever fix breakfast anymore because I always wake up on the go. But, yeah. So, y'all, are you all the type to make New Year's resolutions? I stopped doing that. I set goals for myself, but I don't make them resolutions. And y'all, have y'all heard this? A lady, we were in the kitchen cooking, and some of my church members were telling me, said that their parents used to take a cabbage leaf, and put it in their purse or whatever. It's supposed to be good luck for the year. Now, I've eaten cabbage, but I never heard anybody taking their cabbage and putting it up in their pockets. Have y'all heard of that? Anyway, y'all, I don't want to ramble because I can't ramble. I don't want to be on too long. But I just want to reach out and spread love to everybody. Give y'all a big virtual hug. And let you know God is love. I love everybody. You know, everybody, I think I'm willing to bet just about everybody that posts videos is gonna get negativity. And I get it, I got it. You know what I say? Thank you. And if I'm doing something wrong, show me. Do a video and show us how you do it. Like I got a lot of comments on that. I make my coworkers one time. She had showed me how to make tamales. We call them hot tamales here in the South. They say it's not hot tamales. Well, the reason why they say hot because they be hot with pepper. But mine, I don't make them that hot. But anyway, you make it with ground beef, packs of chili mix, rotel tomatoes, and stuff like that, and it's really, really good. And then guess what? You don't make them with masa. You just make them with cornmeal. And so when I did it with her, we didn't use any kind of seasoning in the cornmeal. I think we just put a little salt, maybe. But I've seen recipes where they put cayenne pepper and all that kind of stuff in them. But yeah, they're really, really good. So I had a lot of people tell me, ooh, what is that? That's not tamales. It's not tamales to you, but it is to me, and it tastes good. But they were saying real tamales are made with corn husks. From what I have experienced with corn husks, the tamales be dry. So I would love to make, and the corn husk a lot of work, but we did them with paper, and it was so easy. You take the corn, well, I'll link my video. And I've had people to try my video and said they actually liked it. And it does taste like tamales. Listen, just because a person don't do things the exact same way you do it, don't mean it's not good. That's like we was working in the kitchen one time, and this lady was telling me she don't, what it was we were fixing, I can't even remember. And she did it a different way, and it was just as good, if not better than how I do mine. So as long as the outcome is good, I ain't really worried. As long as it's clean, I don't worry. You know what I'm saying? If the outcome is a good product and the process of making it was clean, hey, I'm good. And so the problem I'm having, y'all, I'm trying to eat healthier. I'm trying to live a healthier lifestyle. I've made some changes and everything, but I need some healthy recipes. I don't mind eating vegetables, but I need healthy recipes, ways to fix the food that it tastes good and it's healthy. Ooh, it just got very, very dark when I turned this corner. All right, I'm going to get off of here, y'all, because y'all can't see me. But if y'all have any healthy recipes, or send me links to some healthy recipes, because I really, 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 really want to live a healthier lifestyle. Talk to y'all later. Much love. Bye.